This is Asthik Raghav. You are watching my channel. So in this video I'm going to say the top 3 editing apps which will be very helpful for you, like a lot helpful. You can edit your photos and post it on Instagram. So let's get started. The first app I'm going to say is Adobe Lightroom. It's from Adobe, and the special about this in this app is like you can learn how to edit. Also you can get many videos, and how to go up there is here in the bottom. You will get learn, like a learn icon. Just press it, you will get everything. Like I will give an example for this. So start tutorial. You can start tutorial and see how to edit it. Like first they will show you about the crop, and you can straighten it and all that, and you can make it like your and profiles. Like you'll get many videos like this, and you can learn how to edit. But I'm going to show my some edited pictures. So this is my edited picture I edited in this app, and the next I'm going to say is this one also I have edited it. So it's quite easy to do, to edit also. So the next app I'm going to say is Google Snapseed. This is quite easy to edit. You'll get, if you click in like this, I'm going to show you the Samsung, like the sample photo. You can on the spot you can change the filter. So it's quite easy to like do the editing work. So you can tune image like this, color saturation and all. It's quite simple. And also you can add texts that will like merge into the pic. If I'll write over here 1 minute, can do the like the color change. So and also I can change the style. It's quite easy, and install it. So I recommend you Adobe Lightroom only, because it's quite easy to install, like now to edit. And the next is Adobe Photoshop Express. This also from the Adobe only. So if I take this app as sample, just a sample, get like on the spot filters. Also like Snapseed, but I will recommend Snapseed better than this. But you will get like this effects and all. This is quite fancy, but you will get good ones. Like I'm gonna say this one and all. They're like some are good, some are like fancy. So I recommend you Snapseed better than this. But top one I'm gonna say is Adobe Lightroom only. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Lightroom and Snapseed also. So do watch that video, and yep, it's time to leave. Thank you guys.